Now we will show you how to clean the unit with e-cleaner. E-cleaning is to remove the calcium stuck to the inside of the unit. Repeat this procedure once every 1 to 2 weeks. E-cleaning takes about 3 hours. Prepare the displayed items. Turn off the faucet and shut down the unit beforehand. Touch the e-cleaning button on the settings screen. The cleaning procedure will be displayed on the screen. Carry out cleaning according to this procedure. Pour 2 packets of cleaning powder into the cleaning tank and fill with 400 milliliters of water. Replace the cap and mix thoroughly. When this step is complete, touch the OK button. Next, remove the tank cover and the tank from the lower right of the unit and insert the cleaning tank. Touch the OK button and the tank will be recognized. If an error message appears, the appropriate tank is not in place. Please make sure that the right tank is installed. When the right tank is recognized, move on to the next step. Next, remove the water filter and place the cleaning cartridge in the filter tray. Touch the OK button when the step is complete. Next, put the cap on the secondary pipe. Touch the OK button when this step is complete. Now it is ready. Press Start to begin cleaning. The remaining process time will be displayed on the screen. Please do not touch the unit and wait until cleaning is finished. When the remaining process time becomes 0, e-cleaning is finished.
Cleaning has finished.
Remove the cap from the secondary pipe and then touch the OK button. Remove the cleaning cartridge from the filter tray in the main unit and reinstall the previous water filter. Remove the cleaning tank from the lower right of the main unit and reinstall the previous tank and the tank cover. Finally, turn on the faucet and run the water to rinse the machine. Wait until the remaining time counter on the touch panel shows 0. Turn off the faucet after e-cleaning is finished. When the rinsing is completed, the unit will return to the home screen automatically. For more details, please contact your dealer or any of our offices on the list.